everybody. Hey my angels, got another new top. How's everyone doing today? Hope you all are being positive, not negative, and being happy. Right, we've got some unboxings. Let's see what they are. Let's do this. I'm excited. Yeah! Let's open up this one first. Very tough. Just going round and round and round with tape, I think. There we go. Cute little package. Before I show you what it is, let's open up this one. I know what this is. It's my denture kit. Have a nice day, yeah. Instead of using a toothpick, I can use this. Little scrapers and stuff to really get into your teeth, and little mirror here comes in this. I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. Alright, there's that one. Now let's do the Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels are on the go. Oh, it's my Bacardi, my gold one. Let's have a closer look. Let's get it out of this package. Bit scratched and scruffed, but you get that. Little blue wheels. No tampos there. No tampos there. It's not a Hot Wheels, but let's just call it a Hot Wheels for today. So yeah, that's my Bacardi Veyron gold one. So just disappointed because it's a little bit smudged. You can't really see it, but it is. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing. The car and the teeth kit. Alright guys, yeah, I'm LashGo. Please like, subscribe. If you're new, welcome. Comment down below what you like on the video, or what videos you want me to make, and I'll make them. Thinking about making another dance one. Also, comment down below so I know that you've come by. Hit the bell button so I know that you've seen my new videos that come out. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button and comment down below. And view, please view. And I really love yous all, and I hope yous all are doing well and keeping healthy and going for those goals. Alright guys, I'll see yous later, my angels. Love yous all. I'm LashGo. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching. Bye.